Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me here, and I just came back from Caledonia, Wisconsin, and I had the best time of my life. The time there is an hour ahead of where I live. So yeah. And my dad bought me some super nice slime there. Like, it was my present, technically, I guess, because my brother got something, so that's not fair. And he's like, fine, you can have something. So, woo-woo. The slime is called Stardust. We got it from this crazy arenas. It's mini illusion thick putty, I guess. I don't know why we have to be 3 years old and older. I guess that's what it says here. Like, literally, look, 3 years old and older, or 3 and older. So I have some super nice slime, and there's a flower in it, which I think is gorgeous. Like, it's a golden one. And I found another one of those in like a star, and a golden star. And we are going to put them in and just take some time to enjoy this beautiful shimmery slime. The main color is like emerald green, sort of. It beat every single color of the rainbow. So I'm going to start by adding the star. Can you see? So I'm just going to smoosh it in. I don't know how it just got darker. So strands.
This for you, chocolate?
Let's see what the way it was. So I put it in and I mix it. Let me see if I can find you right here is debroganing of Zestar. See now, I think you can see it. That's Zestar. And then time to add these gorgeous flowers. So I'm just going to stick it in. And then mix. And guess what today? We gotta go to the water park, and then yesterday we went to a beach and did a super fun parkour hobby. The water there was 14 feet deep, so that's why we had life vests. Even my dad, my mom, and my sister, and my brother, and me, we all had our life vests on. So, yeah. And it was so much fun because I sometimes even fell in the water, and I was scared, but of course I didn't drown. And there were even some slides that led straight down into the water, which were super duper funly cool. So, yeah. And then this is our finished slime. It is super duper pretty. It is like so shiny. I don't know why, but it reminds me so much of Hollow. There's a nail polish brand called Hollow Taco. And my favorite YouTuber, she made it, so this reminds me of hollowness. But I don't know if it's hollow or not. Hollow usually is really a rainbow, and I feel like this has a lot of colors. So maybe this is hollow, but yeah, the color is mostly like emerald green with some super pretty light pink. Okay, I'm gonna see how far this thing can stretch without it breaking. Okay, so it's wax. Oh my gosh, it is going everywhere now. I wish I could have told you how far it went, but then it started dancing everywhere. So yeah, and my parents are not fans of slime, so that's why I don't really have them touch it. I love the slime because it's super awesome. Oh, and guess what? Yesterday I lost a tooth. And this channel might end up going till like, what, 92 years? Random estimation. Do not get your hopes up. So, squish. Comment in the comment section if you think the slime is with me. And also comment down in the comment section if you have summer break. My summer break started like last Friday. So, woo, woo. Tomorrow is a Monday and I don't care, but my parents do because they have office. I don't even think they get summer break, so that's really sad for them. We have 3 months of nothing to do besides filming videos, playing with friends, watching my pet, and whatever randomness we think of. And also pinching and doing ASMR. I'm planning to do an ASMR video, so for that you can get your hopes up, because that is probably going to happen. I am a fan of ASMR. There's a channel called CSM Relaxing. It is my favorite. One day, sponsor me, CSM Relaxing. So yeah. CSM Relaxing is a nice channel, and basically CSM Relaxing just is relaxing, like it says in the title. Yeah. What is in here? Ew. God, this is a black thing. And yeah, I guess.
better lots of words.
Sorry.
समझ नहीं आ रहा.
I am so sorry. Everyone is being so nice. This is so embarrassing. But I don't care. Continuing with what CSM Relaxing. It is a relaxing channel. It is basically just playing with slime. And I soon will have a lot of my videos as sliming. As you know that I stopped like filming Roblox. But I probably will come back to it soon. I like sometimes just connecting with you guys, just talking. But of course, I will do random gaming videos. My next video will probably be, or my next video will probably be a tour of a graduation place, but y'all never know. So see this? I'm going to take this mold and smoosh it on. Let's see what this slime looks like. Okay. And then we just pull it like so. Okay. So this is what the print will look like. We've just got to see the print. Okay, I guess no one will be able to see the print because the slime literally stuck to it. The cap, which I hope I can save. Boom, I saved it. Okay. So I guess that was the end of today's vlog. See y'all later. See you guys in my next vlog. See y'all later. Bye. Before we sign off, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button to receive notifications before I post a new video. See y'all later. Bye.